Interactive sliders, anyone? Delve into the creative world of go-to-URL action type in Depicter Slider. It's easier than you think. Let's get started. From WordPress dashboard, navigate to Depicter and click on Add New. Once you're in Depicter dashboard, select a template and import it. Now that we have our template loaded, take a look at the different elements on the slide. These elements can do more than just sit there. They can be interactive. Let's start with the go-to-URL action type. We want to put a button here so that when you click it, you're taken to our website's About Us page. See this button here? Duplicate it. Align it as you like and customize the text. Now, on the right sidebar, look at the Action section. Choose Go to URL from the various action types available. Now below, you'll find the Trigger option. Decide if you want the action to occur on a click or when the mouse moves in or out of the element. For this example, we'll choose click. After that, hit Add Action. Excellent! You've added an action. Go ahead and edit it to input the URL you want. Remember, it doesn't have to be a link from your website. It could be any URL you desire. Take a moment to review the setting, and if everything looks good, preview your slider. Click on the button with the Go to URL action, and there you have it, your first interactive element in Depicter Slider. Moreover, we'd like to have a Call Us button here, so that when you click it, you're taken to your phone's dial to call us. Let's go on then. Duplicate this button, align it as you like, and customize the text. Now, on the right sidebar, add a go-to-URL action type with a click as its trigger and edit it. To add a number, enter the following format in the URL box without any space. Tel followed by a colon and the complete number with country code. And you're done. Let's publish it and see how it looks like. With the touch of a button, you're taken to your dial. Pretty neat, right? Make sure to check out our other action type video tutorials. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content like this. Thanks for watching the video.